Hey party people, it's Lex from pdq.com. I'm going to take you through how to select targets doing your deployments and your scheduling. So let's just talk, scheduling is a little different than a on-demand deployment. So let's do an on-demand deployment. So right out the gate here, if I go and I right click on Google Chrome and I say deploy once, this would be an on-demand. Right now, I want it to deploy right now. I go to choose targets. And for ease of use for you guys, there's a couple ways you can select it. I'm going to go to inventory and I can choose computers, which will let me choose onesie, twosie computers, which is great. You know, I go to all computers and I can, go through there and just select a few. Or you can go in here and you say, you know what? I do want to go and select everything that's part of a collection. So it'll bring up the collections and let's say I want to send it to Chrome Old. I give it an okay. And it will go add every machine that's in Chrome Old. Pretty easy, right? I like it. Now let me show you how it works in scheduling. It's going to be a little bit different. So I'm going to just minimize this. And we're going to go up here and we're going to do a new schedule. And this is, again, let's say we're doing Chrome. If I were to go choose targets, doing it the same way here, if I were to choose computers, this would be the onesie twosie. This would be a static list at this point. So I go Allen Rails, give it an okay. You'll see Allen Rails is added here. If I go in to choose targets here and I say, let's go select a collection, and I go say, let's go to Chrome Old, you notice the difference here. It just adds the Chrome Old collection. So I'm going to get rid of Allen Rails because it's just an example. But at this point, when you schedule, it's a dynamic thing. So let's say I schedule this to run Friday o'clock, that's a new one. Friday at 9 o'clock in the evening. At 9 o'clock in the evening, it's going to go take a look at what machines are currently in Chrome Old, pull those down and deploy to them. So it's dynamic, right? The next Friday, it's going to do the same thing as opposed to, let me just pull this deployment up once again that we were looking at. These guys right here, it's a one-time shot as of the time I selected the collection. So you can see the difference between the two. Added, I hit deploy now, it's going to hit these machines. Scheduling, at the time of your schedule, it'll pull the information that way in schedules. But that's how you choose the targets. Looks the same, slightly different, depending on whether you're doing it once or you're doing it on a schedule. Personally, I do everything on a schedule because if it ever has to be done twice, automate. It's so much better. Thanks for watching. I'm Lex from pdq.com.